welcome to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. If you are new, welcome. So happy that you're here today. And today I have a little video that I'm really excited about. I made a purchase for just a basic unisex tee and also a unisex crew neck sweatshirt. So I was really excited to purchase this. It's from a company called Versed. I got a size large in this. It says Jesus is King. I had been looking for a lot of like Christian apparel, and this one just really, I love the color. I like the typography on it, and I wanted to show you different ways to style this. So honestly, I probably could have even sized up to like an extra large just because I really like how cozy it feels. And then I also got a tee, and it says Faith Over Fear, and I just thought it was super cute and super soft. I got a medium, so this is like a normal true size for me. I probably could have even gotten a large for this just because I really like the oversized look right now. So the company Versed was started by a girl named Alice. She is on Instagram as well. She wanted to pursue music, and that like was just a little thing and kind of grew. Anyways, they have really cute apparel. It's very trendy and just a really neat way to like express your faith in a subtle way that might be a good conversation starter. So I will have my referral link down below. You can get 10% off, but right now they're having a bundle deal. So you can get the crew neck or like a hoodie and get a t-shirt for free if you like get the bundle. So anyways, I will link them below. I'm excited to share like how I would style these because I had so much fun. I really love fashion, but I feel like I've kind of like lost my sense of style in motherhood, especially being in between sizes so much. I've been pregnant most of my marriage. I will have my measurements down below so you can know I'm 5'7", technically and 3/4, but I just say like I'm a tall 5'7". I'll just have my measurements down below as well. So the sweatshirt is a large, and I still have like my postpartum pregnancy leggings, compression pants, and I really like the durability and like the flexibility of those pants because they are super stretchy, and you can wear them during like your pregnancy and then post-pregnancy, like when you're postpartum and you're like healing. But honestly, they're like my go-to leggings. They still go over like my waist, obviously, but they're super thick, and the quality that they have is better than some of the leggings I've purchased before from a store. So I haven't found anything to replace the quality of that. I put the oversized sweater over that, and I like how it fit. I also dressed it up with some Puma shoes. And if you're wondering where this is at, it's my backyard because y'all know like I live in the country. And then to like add like an extra layer of some like comfort and cozy and like some more style to it is adding a layer. So the oversized like shackets are really on trend right now, but they're ranging from like all different kinds of prices, and I was not about to like drop over $40 on a shacket or a jacket, flannel, whatever you want to call it. We were at Costco with my parents, and I was able to find this extra large, and it also came with a thermal. So my husband is obviously going to use the thermal, and I'm going to use the flannel, but he's used it too, so it's great because it's like we can share, which is awesome. In high school, I used to share from my sister's closet, and now that I'm older, I borrow from my husband's closet. It's just great. And then he also got a different color, so I will probably be wearing that in a couple outfits, but I think that's more of a red tone, and I really love like the classic like black and white, and I'd been really wanting one. There was one at Walmart that I want to pick up, but the quality at the Costco one was definitely better, and I really like the feel of it. Next up, I styled the tee, and I still wore those Puma shoes, wore some like joggers. Shipping was actually super on point. I ordered it and they sent me the tracking information and it was at my house the next Tuesday. So it literally was not that long to like get to my house. I did have to pay for shipping, which was $4.99 because it was less than $75, but it arrived very quickly. So I was super excited about that. And then to add another extra layer of coziness, you can always like take it off and put it around your waist, but I put the shacket on top. Really, it's like a flannel, but honestly, it's like super, super comfy, super cozy, and I just really like how it's styled this way. That next weekend, I was like, ooh, I want to wear my comfy, cozy sweater, crew neck sweatshirt. So I paired it with some yoga pants and my go-to Puma shoes because those are nice to just like go out and they're super comfortable. Like I have 4 babies and like it's a lot of work. So those are very, very comfy and like I still feel kind of stylish wearing them. And then I just put that extra layer because it was windy that day with the black and white checkered flannel, and I was like good to go. I also wanted to like show you different like styles that I would wear like for an event or even styling for going to work. I have this like really beautiful leather skirt. It's like a pencil skirt, super, super cute. It was my mommy, so it's real leather and I inherited it. I used to wear it all the time and it actually still fits, but my son did let me know that the zipper was coming down on that. So anywho, I styled it with the sweatshirt just tucked in a little bit, and I love that look of like casual meets fashion, New York kind of like high-end fashion. I just love like the two styles merging together. Also added my hat with this because I just feel like a hat can really transform an outfit and make it even more elevated. That is something you can do as well. I also love pencil skirts and I love the ones that like grow with you. I actually wore this last Thanksgiving while I was pregnant. It was my grandma's sweater pencil skirt. So I wore that with the black to like contrast because ivory and like black, you know how it goes. I put those together with a denim jacket that is like zipper. It's super, looks like oil's been spilled on it, everything else, and I call it my dirty jacket. I've had that since high school and I just love like the look of it. It's super just unique, and you can pair it with like any kind of like distinct jacket. I just felt like the colors really flowed together. You can also put a hat on and that will make it even more like sassy and you're just ready to go and hit the town. A girls' night or like even a there's so many like holiday festivals that are going on, so whether it's like Apple Festival or we just had our Apple Festival, but like any event that possibly could be going on in your area, you could definitely like rock this look. I also like love my Steve Maddens that I was blessed with, so if I can pull those into like any outfit, I'm like always down for that. And then also, if you haven't checked out my video on how I got like a bunch of things for free, I will link it up here because you are missing out if you're not a part of a group like this. But I recently got blessed with some jeans that actually fit me. I paired the t-shirt with this and then I like cuffed the sleeve and like tied a knot on the side just to like give it some more texture. You can always roll up the sleeves of any crew neck t-shirt or v-neck t-shirt that you have and it really just changes it up. Also just tying it up, you can also use like a little clear hair tie to tie it up on the bottom. Just to like secure it and you know that knot's not going to keep coming out. Most of the times I'm wearing like a nursing camisole underneath, so I'm not worried that like my tummy is going to show if I do like make it knotted on the side. But that's one thing that I did notice because when I styled it the second time, it had already been washed. I felt like it did shrink a tad. The shirt is cotton. It's the Canva and Bella shirts, which those shirts are always super soft and this is super soft. This is 100% cotton. they did meet like the stretch test of screen printing. But they're really good shirts, but that's one thing that if you like making knots in your shirt or like tying them up and like just making them a little different. I also tried different shoes with these outfits, with the denim jeans, just so you could see how it would look. But really it transforms like how your look entirely gets pulled together. So just play around and like have lots of fun with your pieces that you have. And like a t-shirt and a sweatshirt doesn't just have to be a basic t-shirt and sweatshirt. You have pieces in your closet that you don't have to go out shopping and buying a bunch of things for to make it styled the way you want to like have it styled. And in high school I played around with fashion so much, and I'm just I feel like I have that like desire to get back into like just playing around and figuring out what I like. And I wanted to just bring this to you because I get so like, I had so much fun. It was a workout trying on all these clothes and like styling everything, but honestly it was so much fun. You can do your hair in different ways, and that will change the look entirely of how your outfit is getting pulled together. If fashion is something that like you love playing around with, let me know which one is your favorite outfit that I did try on. I had so much fun doing this, and honestly in the area that we live, I'll probably be rocking the sweater in spring as well. I will also link down below everything that I mentioned as well as my referral code, and if you do go ahead and use it, thank you so much. I do appreciate it, and until next time y'all, bye.